Hello, hi, how are you? How are you? So, as you see, we are in Rusizi district, Rusizi town or Kamembe town. So, this is a part of DR Congo, Bukavu town. Bukavu town is our neighboring town. I mean, it's one of the towns from DR Congo. DR Congo is our neighboring country. Of course, one of the neighboring countries to Rwanda. So this is Bukavu town. So we are in Rusizi town, one of the secondary cities after Kigali. Of course, we have Gisenyi, Huye, we have Nyagatare. So Rusizi is also one of the secondary cities after Kigali, one of the tourism destination after Musanze and Gisenyi. So we are here to take you through, yes, this tourism destination because it's one of the districts which border Lake Kivu. Lake Kivu is one of the 60th or is one of the biggest lakes in Africa with the fresh air where you can swim, where you can practice, of course, fishing, boating, different tourism events. Welcome. You are selling phones.
Phone.
You are selling phones, smartphones.
Smartphone. Phoenix, Airtel, and Techno.
How can you describe Kamembe town or Rusizi town?
This town.
Yes. It's okay. How?
I have many clients in the town.
So you are making big money, big profit.
Big profit.
Yes.
Yes, I have a profit.
Anything to comment on Rusizi town?
No comment.
No comment? What do you think of Rusizi town as a second city after Kigali? What do you think about it?
I don't know exactly. But in Kamembe, I have a profit.
Okay, good. Thank you. Please, let's begin by a brief introduction.
I'm called Jean-Claude. I live here at Rusizi district, Kamembe. This is district Kamembe sector.
So you work from here?
Yeah.
Are you a business person?
Yeah.
Or what do you do?
Mobile money.
Mobile money.
Agent.
Yes. Can you please tell us a little bit about Rusizi town?
Rusizi town is a district, western district.
It's one of the districts from Western province.
Yeah, Western province.
Yeah.
Rusizi is a good district where we found the Lake Kivu.
Yes.
And here at Rusizi we get two borders, Rusizi 1 and Rusizi 2.
With their Congo.
Yeah, we there here.
Yes.
When you need to go there at Congo, it is near.
Yes.
Near.
Can you please tell us a little bit about Rusizi town?
Little.
Say something about Rusizi town.
Rusizi town is a good town than another town, because here Rusizi, the life is very easy, because we meet different peoples like Congo peoples, and some came from another country.
Why do people come here in Rusizi town? Why?
Because they get a good life here.
Hello, hello. Jambo. Unasikiaje? Ukunafanya nini? Ukunafanya nini? Ukunavua? Hey, unaenda wapi? Hey. Okay, asante sana. Hello. What's your name, please?
Take video or photo?
I'm just recording.
Oh no.
Come on. What's wrong?
Let's just make it.
Okay, come here. Let me. Okay.
Rusizi mipaka iringi.